Merry Christmas from the You Dizzy Show. Well, welcome to the shop. Today I'm going to take apart the rest of those fenders. I got the bottom panel to the other one right here. This one needs some addressing, you know. But I think I can save it. I'm not sure. Worst case scenario, I take that piece out, that whole piece out, and put a new one in. You know, because I've learned from my YouTubers how to do that stuff now. And I've actually been saving. I got pieces of metal like that, and I have some more. Oh, you can't see them. I have some more underneath there. But so let's get to that. More to go. 70 more. socket going on. What are you looking at, Essay? Well, here comes the ticket guy. Love him. Ticket man. Right on. Right on. Girls rapping, walking down the street. Nice. Ticket guy. I don't know if I can get him. His ticket in that car over there. Good for him. Good boy. What a real boy. belt stuff. Look at that. It lasted a long time. That cloth. He's sticking in all those cars over there. Freaking right. Keep it moving here, nothing to see here. Keep it moving. Keep all the bolts together.
Good afternoon. I just want to do a quick video that I'm using the tomato garlic basil marinade that little doggy sent. Also, I've been using this. Love it. It's awesome. Thank you so much. I'm just making a quick stir fry with chicken. Quick, easy, fast, done. You dizzy's belly's full. So have a great night. Bye.
Well, I got them all apart, but now it seems to be raining. Can you see it? See, it's starting to rain. So I cleared off my trailer. It had that wooden crap on it, and now I'm gonna bring this inside. I got the other pieces I put inside already. Beg my pardon. That's how far I've gotten. You know, a little bit at a time. But I put all the pieces over here, so I got them stored away. I got all the pieces sitting up here. Just got to bring that other piece in and go with that. Well, hey, I got all that in here, and then it started pouring outside. So I actually brought it in. I got it right here. I don't know if you can see it too good. It's always dark in here, Dizzy's shop. So I got the pieces back in the shop. off while it rained, and today is I gotta do a whole nother video, so I'm gonna cut this one short, and I'm probably gonna put this one up after that one because today's a special day. Today is, I'm not even gonna tell you because then the videos would intertwine. So once again, comment, like, subscribe, check out the links below. I don't even have no Dizzy swag on but my hat. Get your high-core you Dizzy swag. More working on a Model A. It's never fun, but it's always fun. Thanks for watching the You Dizzy Show.